Welcome to our channel. If you're tired of constant reminder notifications on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to disable those reminders. Let's dive in. First, open your Instagram account on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your settings easily. Now, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that resembles 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Click on it to reveal the menu. Next, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open a new window where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This is where all of your notification preferences are stored. Now, you'll need to find the section labeled Push Notifications. Click on it, and this will take you to another page where you can customize your notification settings even further. Finally, scroll down until you reach the Reminders section. Here you'll see an option that allows you to manage your reminder notifications. Simply choose Off, and just like that, you've successfully disabled those pesky reminders. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy a reminder-free Instagram experience on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.